What if I told you that you could make this tennis ball turn into a beautiful photo collage template design like this in Canva? So today I will share you how you can do that. So I will use the custom size in Canva, and I will use the width as 11 inches and height as 14 inches and click on create a new design. So now we will use this tennis ball icon, and this is the Canva Pro element. And if you want to use similar design, you can find it in free also. Let me show you how you can find that. Okay, click on graphics, click on this icon show filters and scroll down to find free, click on apply. Okay, so you can use these icons also. Okay, so let me use this design and show you how you can use that. Let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, let's place it here in the middle, and after that I will change it to black color. Okay, so to make the template design, it is required to make the main icon as black color. So we did that, and after that just zoom in a bit and click on L to activate a line, and click on this stroke style, and stroke weight will be 9. Okay, and just bring it here. Okay, and hold on to shift icon and just extend the line. Okay, and after that duplicate it, again duplicate it again. Okay, so after that I will just make it size smaller, the other lines, because it is extending with this part also, so we don't want that. So all the extension removal will be done holding the shift button, so that the line remains a straight line. Okay, now we will use this line, duplicate it and bring it here. Okay, and again I will make it smaller and just move it slightly below. Okay, and again use it here. Okay, now after that I will just click on it, duplicate it, and this time I will rotate it to 90 degrees. Okay, and just bring it here in the middle and just reduce the line by holding on to shift. Okay, and after that duplicate it, just bring it here, make it smaller, again duplicate it, just place it here. Okay, and after that duplicate this line, place it in the middle. Okay, and duplicate it again and place it in the middle. So this part is done. Now I will just unzoom it. Now I will click on add page, and here add green color. So you can use any type of color you want. I prefer this green color background to make the template part, so I am using that. Now come in the first page. Now click on share. Okay, let's first name it as tennis ball design. Okay, now click on share, click on download, make sure it is in PNG, click on current page, which is page 1, and download. Okay, and scroll down to page 2, click on share, click on download, make sure it is also in PNG and click on download. Now come to picsvg.com, as it is written here free SVG converter, so I will upload the picture of the tennis ball here and scroll down to find this one here. So I have to go to filters, click on this and change it to internal 3. Okay, click on download SVG. Now come to photopea.com, which is a free version of Photoshop. Click on open from computer, and this time open the file of the SVG file which I have downloaded from picsvg.com. And now I will click on file, click on open and place, and now I will add the green color background which I have downloaded from Canva. Okay, and I will extend it to the canvas size. Okay, now right click it, click on clipping mask. Okay, and now duplicate layer and keep on adding on all the layers. So as you can see, I have added all the layers with this green color. Now I'll click on file, click on save as PSD. Now if you don't want to do all the hard work, you can just visit my website, the link is in the description, and you can just purchase this template for just $1. As you can see in here, there are also some other templates related to tennis. So this is class of 26, this is the coach frame, and this is the senior tennis senior template design. These are for $3, and also the tennis frame also for $3, and the 2026 two designs are there which are for $2 each. So you can check this template designs and you can purchase if you want to. Now I will come back to Canva again, and this time I will scroll down, click on add page and just remove this green color, and now I will upload the PSD or the Photoshop document file which I have downloaded from Photopea. So this one I will found in uploads. Click on designs and you can find it here. So now bring this one to canvas. Now as you can see, behind every green layer there is the black layer, so I have to remove it. So I will click on any of the layer and right click it, go to layer, click on show layers and just select all the black layers. Click on delete. Now when all the black layers are removed from here, select the green layers one by one and click on backspace to reveal the image frame. Now I am using the text to write this player name, player school name and class of 2026, and now it's time to add the pictures. So for that I will go to elements here and here I will search tennis player and click on photos, click on see all and just add the pictures. Okay, so all the images are ready. Now you can just extend the size by double clicking on any of the image you want. Okay, so the design is ready. Now if you want to share it as a template, click on share and click on this template link and just click on create template link to use it as a template. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.